start the time? Oh, did you already start?
I started the video.
Oh, perfect. Okay. Hello, everyone. My name is Aaron.
And I'm Joey.
And today we're going to learn the song Winter. So can we all just tap with me? Great. And let's count. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2. Great. Keep on going and let's sway. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Great. So now that we have the feeling of 1, 2, 3, we're going to learn the 3 different rhythms in our song. Here we have orange squares. How many orange squares do you see?
3.
3. So for orange squares, every time we see it, we're going to clap, just like this. 1, 2, 3. Let's try it. 1, ready, go. 1, 2, 3. Great. Second rhythm is 1 pink diamond. Pink diamond, we're going to snap, just like this. 1, 2, 3. Can you try that? 1, ready, go. 1, 2, 3. Great. And the last one, we have yellow rectangles. How many yellow rectangles do you see there?
6.
6 yellow rectangles. So when we see those, we want to pat on our thighs, just like this. Pat, 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 pat. Let's try that. 1, ready, go. Great. Now that we know all the 3 different rhythms, we're going to learn about the 3 different measures in our song. Number 1 should look very familiar. What do we see there?
3 orange squares.
Great. And what body percussion do we do when we see orange squares?
Clap.
Clapping. Let's try that. 1, ready, go. Great. Number 2 should also look familiar. What do we see there?
A pink diamond.
Yay! And then how many do we see?
1.
1. So we're going to snap that. 1, 2, 3. Okay, great. And the last one's a little tricky. It's a combination of rhythm 1 and rhythm 3. It's going to sound just like this. Can we try that 3 times in a row just so that we can get familiar with that? 1, ready, go. Great work. Let's all sit down in front of our instruments. So the first note in our song is letter B. Can we all look at our instrument and try to find letter B? Play it when you find it. Great. So we're actually going to play letter B, and we're going to do measure 1 on a loop. So we're just going to keep on doing measure 1, all right? 1, ready, go. Great. Let's try measure 2 on a loop. We're just going to keep on going, all right? 1, ready, go. Great. And just as we learned previously, we need to make sure that we alternate our strikes. That's how we play our striked instruments here. And the last one, let's try looping it. Measure 3. 1, ready, go. Great work.
Awesome. And then can Mr. Aaron play while I teach the melody?
Yeah, sounds good.
Awesome. So now that Mr. Aaron has taught us all that fabulous rhythm, we're going to learn the melody. So now if we look at this rhythm here, can anyone tell me which rhythms 1, 2, or 3 this is made up out of?
1 and 2.
Thank you, Neha. So we're just going to try this rhythm just all on a B again. Someone play me a B. Awesome. Ready? And go. Thank you. So now, if you look at the notes on your melody instrument in front of you, they should all right be next to each other, B, B, A, G. So let's try playing that. Ready, and go. Again. Awesome. So now we're going to jump all the way down here. And can someone tell me, is this rhythm the same or different than what we just played?
The same.
But what is different?
The notes.
Exactly. We're going to go up this time. So let's try that on B, B, C, D. Ready, and go. Again. Awesome. So now that we've got that rhythmic pattern down, we're going to learn these 2 new phrases. Now, it's a lot of sticky notes up here. It's a little difficult to look at, but if we just take it apart here, can someone tell me which rhythms this is made up of? 1, 2, or 3?
2 pets.
Oh, 3.
Just the whole line. One and three. Thank you. So now we're gonna try that all on a B again. So ready and go. Excellent. So now we're gonna try it going up D C D D C B C. Ready and go. All good. So now if we look down, it's the same rhythm, but it starts on an A this time. Can someone play me an A? Awesome. So now let's try that. Ready and go. Thank you. So now how the piece goes, we're going to play this first rhythm twice, and then we're just going to look down the page, and then right at the end, we're going to hop back up to our first rhythm. So let's try that, everybody. Ready and go. Again. Back to the top. Awesome. So now these two phrases, they come at you pretty quick. So let's just practice these two phrases starting on this one. And then let's just stop right on that A when we get there, because it's a little bit of a skip. So on that B, ready and go. Awesome, everybody. So now let's go on this time, but we're going to start with this phrase again. Ready and go. You guys are great. You guys are great. So now let's try the whole thing again. We do this twice and then again at the end. Let's have a good time. Ready and go. To the top. Awesome, everybody. And that's our lesson. Comments, critiques.
The colors and the shapes were really good. I think the only thing that I had a little bit of trouble with was it might be the height too of like kind of going like this, but those eighth notes the first time we went through were kind of hard for me. But you like went back and fixed that, so that's good.
It was in my plan. I had wanted to just do that repetition, but I went back and did it.
Yeah, I mean, sometimes it's good for them to fail a little bit.
Yeah.
So.
I also really like the sticky notes, and I made the diamond just like a side by sticky note. The only thing I would say about the visual is if you were to do it again, maybe space out the sticky notes a little bit more. That's what was catching me the most. All the colors like mushed together a little bit.
Yeah, and also make it even.
I didn't mind it not being even because actually it goes like with the melody. I like that. But yeah, that was I let you guys scaffolded it really well.
Thank you. Any other comments?
I mean, you were probably limited by the color choice of post-it notes, but I would have loved to see like a little bit more of like a distinct color, like a red or a blue. I don't know, someone with color blindness might struggle a little bit.
Just like the really like distinct colors, even if it's color blindness, you know.
Yeah.
I get what you mean.
We wanted to use like what's it called, construction paper, but the only ones that they had left were brown, black, and then one red. So I was like, we'll use sticky notes.
But yeah, thank you, everybody.
Thank you.
I'm sorry. I have a comment.
Yes.
Just, Aaron, when you did the rhythm, make it more accessible. I feel like we were using our hands a lot, and that could be limiting in a way. But also to like, good job though.
Thank
Like
you.
spacing out your words and asking questions, I suppose.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thanks.
Or thank you.